Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can change home app grid size in your device Samsung A23 5G and A33 5G. So if you want to change home app grid size in your device Samsung A23 5G and A33 5G, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can change home app grid size in your device.